If you want to know how to properly shop online, find the best deals without getting scammed somehow, I've got you covered. We're all gearing up for some serious holiday shopping. And this year, it's not just about finding the best deals, but it's also about shopping smart and safe. And that's why I've partnered with SquareX, a game changer in online browser security. But more on that later. First, let's dive into my tech wish list and how to spot those sneaky little red flags while shopping online. On my list this year, it's simple. I am eyeing a brand new MacBook Pro. My current one has been a trooper. We have been together for years. We've been through thick and thin, late night projects and endless browsing. But it's time to embrace that upgrade and move to newer. With all the flashy deals out there, it's really easy to get flustered and miss some of the warning signs. So I'm going to share my game plan and what I am looking for while hunting for the perfect new MacBook Pro. And first up, here are some red flags that I'm looking out for. Number one is unrealistic discounts. If you see a brand new MacBook Pro at 70% off, that's probably a red flag. You should always compare prices across different websites and open new or unknown websites in the SquareX Disposable browser. So in case the website is malicious, it can't infect your laptop. Huge discounts on high demand items can be the bait to lure you into a scam where just one click can literally cause all the harm. Next up, we'll talk about the lack of secure payment options. Now, legit sites offer secure encrypted transactions. So in this case, you want to look out for HTTPS in the URL and payment services like PayPal or credit card options that offer buyer protection. If a site only accepts wire transfers or obscure payment methods, that is a big no-no. The next one on the list is sketchy website designs. You should watch out for poor grammar, weird layouts, and broken links. Reliable sites invest in a clean, user-friendly design. And if you have opened a sketchy site, hopefully you've opened this in the SquareX Disposable browser so your device stays safe. But if not, and the site looks like it's stuck in the early 2000s and doesn't match the brand style, then definitely run. And speaking of these risky websites and all this talk about SquareX, let's dive deeper into what SquareX is. Now, when I first discovered SquareX, I could not believe it exists. And it's free. SquareX allows you to experience the internet with complete security and privacy, and with just 3 steps. To use SquareX, you go to squarex.com, the URL is here, and add to Chrome. This will take you to the Chrome web store and you can then install the SquareX extension. You can finish the installation by creating an account and this is all completely free. The first one is the disposable browsers. These browsers allow you to shop from multiple geographic locations seamlessly without leaving a trace. It opens a disposable browser on the SquareX cloud servers, allowing you to browse without any worry, because if the site isn't safe, your computer will not get infected. And the reason for this is because the shopping link is opened in the SquareX cloud environment into a completely watertight sandbox that checks everything on your behalf. Next, we have the disposable file viewer, which allows you to view documents from unknown senders without getting infected with malware. It's fully private and disposable. And finally, probably my most loved feature for privacy is the disposable emails. You can use it to sign up for those tempting newsletters without spamming your inbox, and no one will ever know it's you. When you install SquareX, you'll already have a disposable email set up and ready to use. When you receive an email, you'll be notified within the browser. And if you want to regenerate or change the email address, you can do this too. There are so many more cool features like ad blockers, full screen mode, many toggles and settings, and so much more. Check it out to honestly just change the way you do shopping or just surfing in general. All the links and information is in the description box down below. And that, my friends, is the lowdown on shopping smart and safe with a little help from our friends at SquareX. I think it's super amazing how the right technology can transform our everyday experiences. My MacBook Pro is already in the shopping cart. What is on your tech shopping list this year? Let me know in the comments down below. And as always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and also go and check out SquareX and get a transformed and secure experience. That is it for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.